the techniques that I like to use for capturing seed before they reach full maturity in the garden and before the wind blows them where it will is to use little mesh sachets. And essentially, all you have to do is pop this over the seed head before it is fully matured, tighten it at the base, pull the drawstring, tie it tightly, and you're good to go. I like using these because they're breathable. It's okay if it rains on them, it's going to dry. And then once that seed pod begins to open up naturally and it's at the proper time for harvest, we can just break that entire seed pod off the plant and bring it inside for separation.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.